Thanks for hopping on here. It's good to have you. I don't know if you're here for the first time. Maybe you're new to the channel altogether because you were specifically looking for information on the hybrid filter for these 4th generation Siennas in particular. But regardless, and if you've been here before and you're more into the camper van scene and camping and all the other good stuff, well, this is part of the process. In this video, though, I'm going to show you the filters as I found them after 2 years of having the van, and it's a little embarrassing because they are pretty gunky. There were these vents on the sides of the front seats. I thought they had to just do with the air system in the van. I had no idea that those were actually the hybrid, the way your battery is going to breathe, and it's essential to keep them clean. And not only is it going to help the longevity of your battery, but it's also a major factor to the daily driving. Your trip information reveals your mileage per gallon, and I'd noticed the last 3 to 4 months that had slipped tremendously. This is my 2nd summer in the van, and although the heat and humidity can play a role in having lower function of your battery, but it shouldn't have the amount that I was noticing. 35 was tapping out like as the best. It had been a while since I hit 35. It seemed each little trip here and there, and even some of the longer trips, they were coming in at like 28, 29, maybe 31 if I was lucky, but that's the highest I'd seen in a few months. And that's peculiar because, I mean, I'm used to seeing 35, 36, 37 MPG. Once I saw how very filthy these filters were, I knew I couldn't wait for the new ones to come in. I just decided to clean them up really good, vacuum, and pick out all the debris. And then I ordered the new ones too. So they are here now. I got them in, but I'm going to save those for later and replace them in a few months. For now, I did such a jam up cleaning job. I think I'm good for a while. Okay, this is a good sign. I can see through it again. My hybrid battery is gonna be so efficient. So happy now. Be able to breathe. Okay, so certainly after having a little 400-mile road trip, we're going to have the right data collected to monitor and measure the impact of this wonderful cleaning that we performed. And so I'm just excited and want to go ahead and share that with you right now. It's exciting. definite increase of about 7 miles, just over 7 miles per gallon increase. Yeah. The moral to this little story today is clean your filters if you have a hybrid. I'm just glad if we can help spread the word and people can change these and clean them themselves. But I hope that everybody benefits from this to some degree. And if you're thinking about it, if you're shopping and contemplating, if you're contemplating a hybrid, well, look at, you're already way ahead of the game. So congrats all the way around. And I can't wait to come up with another video of some helpful information. Please subscribe too. I would really appreciate that because, like I say, I want to get better at making videos and I want to better communicate with you all and make it a great experience for everybody. So can't wait to talk to y'all again, and I hope you have a wonderful time. Until next time, see you down the road.